with me and my friends. Today, we're talking about something we all really like. Bouncy balls! Now, Gerald,
Let her do what she want to do.
you like little bouncy balls, right? Yes, I do, Sid.
Stop.
You see, I have a whole collection of little bouncy balls, and they're about this big. Interesting. Yeah, oh, Sid, I have more than 20. Ooh, that's a lot. No, wait, Sid,
Oh no, she knows I'm recording.
Now he even
Naya!
little bouncy balls. Wow. Wow is right. Okay, May, how about you? What kind of bouncy balls do you like?
Well, at home, I have a really, really big bouncy ball with a handle that you can sit on, and then you can bounce all over the place.
Wow! Yeah, that sounds like the biggest bouncy ball in the whole world.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Neat. Okay, Gabriella, your turn. Tell us about your favorite bouncy ball.
Ooh, actually, it's over there on the playground.
Oh,
Really?
cool. Let's go see
Now
it.
you okay? Music, back up, back up.
So, Gabriella, tell us why this is your favorite bouncy ball.
She sang it.
It's my favorite bouncy ball because it's
Right. That sounds really hot. Really hot. Good catch.
Everybody, rub time. Oh,
That's Teacher Susie.
it's rub time. Come on in. Rub time. Take a seat. Rub time. A lot to learn today. Wow, my scientists have all turned into bouncy balls.
Yeah. Oh, but you know what? I found out not all balls.
She always gonna have the remote in her mouth.
Basketballs bounce.
Wow.
And playground balls bounce. And soccer balls bounce. Yeah, you're right.
Anyone is right. But then just
Really?
And she'll always have it in her mouth.
Very interesting that your ball didn't bounce, Sid. Why do you
Hey!
Great observation, Sid. Hey, why don't we pass around another ball and see how that feels? Okay. Here we go. Oh, I'm gonna play with that ball outside.
Go again.
It's